What's good, babes, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you how I achieve this beautiful, flawless, and flat and affordable leave out quick weave. You are seeing 3 bundles of 30 inches in my head, and I did a deep side part, and I got these bundles from my local beauty supply store for under $35, y'all. So if you want to see how I got this style and hear more about the hair and details of the hair, definitely stay tuned. Jumping right into the video, I'm showing you my braid pattern. Now, you do not have to do quick weaves with braids. You can also mold your hair down into a low bun, but I'm doing braids. And now I'm going to be showing you a few items that you're going to need to achieve this look. This is the most important item. This is your protection that you're going to be applying to your hair to protect your hair from the glue. Then you're also going to need your glue, wig cap or a wave cap. Always use heat protectant of your choice on your hair. Now, just a little bit about the hair, guys. This hair came from my local beauty supply store. It is synthetic hair, okay? So with synthetic hair, I typically do not wear my synthetic hair in my head no more than a week to a few no more than a few days to a week. But I'll get more into the hair later on in the video. Now you see me applying my cap. I'm putting my cap on my head like I'm about to do the ball cap method. And I'm cutting out the ear tabs using a razor. And you want to make sure you do this because it's going to help the hair be flat. Now I'm going in and I'm going to apply my glue protection all over my head and let that harden. And here's how it looks after you apply it on your hair, all over your cap, and you let it hard. This is like a layer that we're going to use to protect our hair from the glue when we apply our extensions to our head. So none of the glue will get on our hair at all. Now I'm going to go in to cut off the excess cap. If your hair is completely dry after you apply the glue protection, your cap should not roll off or fall off your head. It should be still stuck to your hair. Again, that protection is a layer for us. Now here is the first bundle. You want to start, I have 3 bundles of 30 inches. If you have a longer or different lengths, you want to start with the longest length first. But here's the hair, guys. Again, it's in synthetic hair. I don't keep my synthetic hair in for no more than a few days to a week because synthetic hair does tangle and shed more than virgin hair. I like to think of synthetic hair as test hair or event hair, meaning you're not keeping it in that long, or you want to try out a style before you get actual virgin hair, and so you get some synthetic hair to try it out. Or if you need like a quick hairstyle that you're going to keep in for a short amount of time, then you can use synthetic hair. So right now you see me going in and starting my quick weave. You want to start your quick weave off by measuring out the track from the nape of your neck, from one side of your nape of your neck to the other, or ear to ear. Measure it out with your fingers, cut it, and then apply your glue, and then stick the hair onto your head, which I'm going to show you right now. You see me measuring it out. I'm cutting it. And then I'm applying glue. Apply a thin layer of glue. You don't need too much. And then you want to go ahead and apply that to the back of your hair using your fingers to help feel for where you're placing the track at. If you can't see. If you have a mirror, amazing. I'm pretty much used to doing this, so I pretty much know where to place the track at. Also, one thing you can also do to help you when you're trying to figure out where to lay the track down is use the previous extension that you laid. Use that one to help guide you to lay the next one. So this part is pretty much self-explanatory, and like always, I'm going to go ahead and let you watch now that I've explained what I'm doing. If you guys have any other questions, if you need something explained more in detail, drop me some comments and also leave some suggestions for me. How do you guys like this hair? Is it cute? Do you think it's worth the money? Let me know. So just to reiterate about the hair, again, 3 bundles of 30 inches. The bundles were like $10.99 per package at my local beauty supply store. And for the most part, this hair, I feel like it's worth the $10.99 that I paid for it, y'all. Obviously, you're going to get what you pay for. This is affordable hair, so you can't expect it for it to last months and weeks and weeks. But for the price, it is definitely good quality synthetic hair. This is, for the type of hair it is, I feel like it's high quality. And it gives you the look you're looking for. Like I said, I don't ever keep my synthetic hair in that long. I wear it like if I had an emergency hairstyle or I need, a hairstyle for an event or something, and I don't have a wig, I don't have virgin hair bundles on deck, I can go to my beauty supply store and get some synthetic hair and make a look work. So that's what these synthetic videos and these affordable hairstyle videos are for. So my girls out there who don't always have to have $1,000 hair, you don't. You can make a look work with only 40 bucks, and I am living proof. So as you see right now, I'm getting to the top of my quick weave. I'm pretty much done, and I'm gonna go in and blend in my leave out. I'm showing you how flat and how smooth and stuff the foundation is, y'all. Yes, ma'am. And I'm just going in to do my leave out, spraying on my heat protectant, and then I'm going to flat iron my hair, and I'm going to use my wax stick to smooth it out, and then use my crimpers to blend my hair extensions into the synthetic hair. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Details are in the description box, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Y'all stay beautiful, be safe, and blessed. Mwah.